Hello, hello, hello. So, ngayon, nandito ulit tayo sa Sabang and we're gonna check yung isa sa mga endemic natin na species, which is the mangrove snake. Nandun siya sa kabilang ilog. Tatawid tayo dito using this basa. Yep. Hilahin natin to kasi nandun daw yung next destination natin, which is the mangrove snake. Hanapin natin dun kung nandun ba. So this area is called mangrove paddle boat tour. If you want to check the space, go and visit Sabang. Taas lang daw ng... Oh my god, that's so wet. That's so wet. Sorry, I'm too loud. So yeah, maghanap tayo ng stick. So stick. Yep. So ilalagay natin tong clip. Although this kind of species ay mildly venomous, pero masakit pa rin sila magkagat. So ito yung Palawan mangrove snake. Endemic in Palawan, Boygasanodon or golden ring cat-eyed snake. So tinawag siyang golden ring because yung mga golden part niya na nandun sa gilid, sa katawan niya. So those are the body structure. Yan. Ito mo yun guys, nakikita nyo ba? So hindi lang siya mag-focus ng gusto but we will try to focus it. These species are considered as nocturnal. That means active yan sila sa gabi. Yan. So docile siya, hindi naman siya nagiging threat kasi sa tingin ko he's trying to camouflage himself para hindi siya maging kwan. So we're gonna try to take photos. Okay, so ito yung mangrove snake, Palawan mangrove snake, Boygasanodon. So if you guys want to check this one out, be one with nature kumbaga, and check the wildlife, nako, pumunta ka na dito sa mangrove paddle boat tour, kung saan makikita mo mismo on hand, first hand, just a few meters away from me, yung mangrove snake guys. So again, this is mildly venomous kapag kinagat ka dito, but still you're gonna live to tell the tale. But sakit pa rin siya magkagat, syempre mamamaga yung kamay mo. The first record ng king cobra eating a mangrove snake is also located here at mangrove paddle boat. So it means somewhere out here merong king cobra na naglo-lurk. But syempre doon lang sila usually sa mga mangrove area. Okay, so nagulat naman ako sa iyo. Kala ko kung sino, kala ko kung ano. Okay, so si kuya, papunta yan siya doon sa zipline ride. Okay, so let's go back again. Okay, ulitin ko lang. Yan ang ating sorry, yeah, lalapit lang natin ng konti. Our mangrove snake guys. So ang kanyang pupil ay round, then they have a yellow stripe sa katawan. That's why they call it golden ring, kasi meron siyang like a ring pattern sa katawan niya. So all the way doon sa tail, at the end tail, makikita nyo yan siya. Alright, so excited na makita to in half. We're not gonna touch this snake kasi nga I don't want to disturb this resting site. At still is trying his best para hindi maggalaw. Yeah, again, these species are considered as nocturnal species, so active yan sila usually sa gabi. Yeah, active yan sila usually sa gabi. So they go into the downward position, they catch some fish or kung saan mang meron dyan. At syempre may mga record din tayo dito na hindi lang sila dito sa may mangrove na nakikita. We have records that some other mangrove snakes can be seen in the forest or also up high in the mountain itself. Yes, personally nakita ko po yan siya in the as much as at least 600 meters. May mga nakita kaming mga mangrove snake na nakaganon. They believe, I don't have any evidence yet na sinasabi nila na nag-upstream migration sila. Means they're just following the river all the way doon sa bandang dulo sa taas, and of course they migrate all the way up or nagle-lay sila ng egg, but still no studies. At yun lang yung conclusion ko personally sa tingin ko. I'm not an expert, fully disclosure, I'm not the expert. Just love understanding this wildlife natin, most especially yung mangrove snake natin. So yep, so yun, so they are highly camouflaged dito sa bakawan. So mga nangangati na yung pa ako kasi may mga niknik din tayo dito. Highly camouflaged, and look at that, look at that mangrove snake. Okay, so we're not gonna stay long kasi nga nakita na natin yan, but still I am amazed of this kind of last shot na nga to, last shot bago tayo mag out. Oh, nalaglag ko yung phone ko. Okay, last shot bago tayo mag out. Selfie with the mangrove snake. Sana ba yun? Okay, selfie muna bago matuklaw. Ayan. Alright, so that's it for today. Step into nature.